Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily add customer opening balance in Zoho Books. So first, you may want to head over to Zoho Books and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, click on Sales, then click on Customers. So the opening balance feature is only available to a newly created customer. So make sure that you create one before you can add opening balance to their account. You can create a new one, click on the new button, start by adding details about the new customer to create a record for them, choose customer type if it's business or individual, primary contact, company name, display name, and more details about them. In the same page, scroll down. And from here, you should be able to see the opening balance section. Just add in the amount, then once done, head over and click on save. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!